Abusia, ara osem bi ese okumase o. Eya nkwala mienu bi o mayra na mesrem mmie koji entremu.
Eye na esi.
Na esi. Yes ni se me nda na nwumre no. So no to wa ha be na me bla ba ko. Tin so to ti ye na nkwala no ofie. Me ni fie, kasi na mo ofie na mbo na mo store ho.
Me nda nkwala no nko school.
Me nda nkwala no okay. To mo ofie. Ti bla ba ko highlight ni na ko ti bla ba ko class no wo akire ha. Ti so nso to ti ye no ma fa player so ha. So papa ye. Nso to ti bi ana fa player.
Nso ni to be time.
Nso to be 4:30 to 5. Nso to ti ye de na se be 5 to 6. Nso to ti ye no. Bla ko se na ma me de so yale nto wo dem. Ti bla ba ko wo akire ha wo se ohun se kwana fa player no mu gina so ha plapla nso na egu su mu plago fom.
Okay.
Ti ya wo mu se wo mu nsi fom no mbeti ato.
Me ba ye hwe ni se. Mo won kwara 3 ono ogu. Ana mu nyina amote. Panyini no ebema ana ona so okose o
10 years.
Okay. Onu free wa nkwara ase ne kan. Mienu no de odi panyini na chi no ono nso wo mfie se.
No 8 years.
Oba na abema.
Oba.
Okay. Na de oto so bi.
Oba.
Ono nso wo sen.
Ono nso 5 years awo 6.
Okay. Ya beka ba bedu na mebuza se de nkwara no te ankasa ma wachre. Enti nkwara no omoye manti ano papa nsu to a obepra soro ha ba bia yati. Dinsu ni to te no mo fa prae. So omo be pra soro ha. Omo ye bisa ada. Omo ta be pra.
Papa ya no mu de nachi. Nti nsu to te won zo papa ne ho no so be ye.
Okay.
Ni ese bla ba ko ye se mun si fom. Mbati ato. No mu de kekekere mu de prae no gu fom no mo fa soro ha. So mo ba me ho. Ese ba ko se na mo ko no se ye ko ma me ho wo store ho.
All store no baby ati all store ekwan yo so baby.
Ekwan so baby. Baby abla iti ona me store no. Ti on ye so mo ba store ho no. Simi de me so mo ofi. Ti me ankasa no, so nto ti ye no. Ntwitwa nam ye ko store so ka ho. Ti me twa nam na na se de me ye plan. Ti me twa nam akokora se kan bo ma. Adai. Sta ba ko so to ade me se de ho ye me no mabele. Se me ho me sa so me se bi mabele. Se mabele nti me nto me bi me nti ma pack me ko. Also sister me to ba ile imam me so ne wan kasa to na ho ni to na de no dim skala no oye na mtum na mba fi me do fi be sister eti no ti be ma no won pe ball pa won de 1-2 no opi 1-2 no opi ti ma ne de no ma na wo store se nya ma me na yale wo fi a won de won ko ba bia 5 years ni 8 years won ni adamfo bia won de won me ho bi no me nanam okay won me no kwa ne do ma won me no na ko ba bia me no kwa nanam ketwe panyin no obo ketwe na me bu no bi sister ba kora na o se wonu ano no won na nanam to obo na mo no yesa o da kwa hwe awo wo da ahmoti abo na plan ti se obo na mo no de makasa chinchira onu ano no ya me ti mi do fe ma me sinchira mo so mo ba ho msinana so ka sisi yato onya nko so mo mra me ho mo so ma me ho sa gura bla de do no kra be siso ma na bene so de ni si woti me ho hwim ata mi kron so ifitani wo IPT friend so kojo me do free stani engine fi no se isa wo no se isa de bene na bae no se isa mpo na koso no free de me so ndo ko bobo na ichire na nje de se da yeso mo so mo ba me ho store so to tie wo ma me du ho no mo se ne me ba tie ho hwehwehwe ha nyina nkura so nya nkura bi a mo ko chini se bi mo ko madamfo mo ne obi a me ne o ma
omo frifia ba ho store sada
da bia omo ba
omo mienu no
da bia omo ba kitwa no ko akura na me ka se 5 years utimi ba pinyin so timi ba peke de me 8 years ko so complex ma je hane complex so jalai utimi
enje na daba fo yedi aguru bia na enye agopapa na efa no osofo oposter ehu we de mesre ni se nyame emfa me mfomso encheme na fi abusuan so emfa encheme titiro yire enima de me ye no emi hu bebre aba a efa ne se daba fo de eduro ekwadwuma ho kire ne adwuma ayinti eduro bebe ana edi ngwase agro bia emfata agro me di ya me giri se agobone kasam kan na nye ehunti eni di mesra busuan efe asafoma titiro asofofo ai wasafo nu nyamo fa me mfomso encheme na efe abusuan no ene eyire ene emma no mo fa mfiri me se de Kristo kan se odbonya ninu no ho e won bo no ho a ye de eche no mesrew achepa kotoyogu fom mo fa mfomso enche ene agro an ye di na branti ono so ogina ba bia o video ya ono so wan hwa o post ye eno nti de kan se e ya chapa ana ye de sere busua ene asafoma ene titiro asofofo a da so na ne busua ne mu mpanfo ne mu nimpa nyina na afi obi a obehu ohwe video ni bi na anya ne fi bia no ejina ha e pache se mumfa enfum so enche se de Kristo.
So this is part 3 of how one can lady be some fine girl be or up you so and go de me question sister would be mu ankasa braid dear e bi anka nkrofo Zanzibar yin kama ko bia ba enso mu niema say nye free and not from cry just say unhwe parts 1 and 2 na kona kwhwe na ma posti and the lady give me number e test mo WhatsApp e bu sam me why na me say me mam ne papa na no say we at this age ugusu no mam ne papa na hey what do you want say the eba meboa ama won so atimi anya ska ko han wo dan meboa mo atimi anya ska to weeks on third year which say ube live life ube feel good now so sir what is the catch because me checking the page na say na post 1 or 2 products bi ba won shada nton wa de no utimu say asay ye care bi sa no to me na say what is it like what's the catch because me mean say be a business bi e bi oton niam na obe ma me products ni bi na ma den na ma ton na me so atimi ai den anya ska sana na ewo mitini ba sana nso sa and a lady or started so was send other ladies because what's the catch like what's in it then na maybe yeah dwuma bi no wan ko direct wan ko straight to the point no dey wada and a lady started say or send the other ladies videos and pictures and ma wo do mo so they are living it like they are living good e bi wo up you so why you ni mo no ma that the business bi akata o manim. And so
for good morning, me sa video ama immigration officers amo Ghana border say mo 20 cities no 30 cities no 50 cities amo dia gumu botomunti. You are putting Ghanaians at risk, and we have a lot of emba omutu kwan ekọ ye nearby countries kofaniema. They saw you people said the bialada fulani foi eba mu si womo na magije omusika na mu de omakọ na omawuram na me se dru de eden a ye be start afiri mu so ai onse na nsan ye hwisutu mu wo asoro ho no mu na ye be mu musika mu be me se Ghana security officers on they behave as say bosome kwayinti omuka kakra ombeje go mutomu na hia omu echi bosome akatua oh de asi wo Nigeria no ye de be tan he Nigeria fo bebrebe mpo oh tue ye dwifa omo so na ye no he de edru ha ye beko because Ghana ha ye ba ye ni car ye ni fie ye ni japade bia ye ni mansion ye ni hwe ye no ane yafu na ye wo this ba critical na pay a ye beko mo
mene madam fu na ye course ye kwaji sikadro masa wo ho ahunu dia wo kan o ye course ye kwaji sikadro no ye ko Benin I think say the last 2018 ho ye course ye kwaji sikadro ye ko ne ye kokotu nipa na ye kusi ni so no say wadi mfie sen na me bo me mfie kire no na madam fu no so bo ni mfie kire no say we are very young aden na mu pesika abra nyankopon ma motam nso se munya sika de na mdo be na madam fu ne kasa me so ma me de sika na me pe na ne ya kire me hanom nti me de nse wo be ya ma bibia yi ama me no so okay se sa na tie de a ida se ye de hwe ma ebe di sika duro no ana nso se wudi woto ebe di sika duro no
enhyiranka ye wura IGP tete ye wono Yamishironi ni papa IGP say a contract here. He deserves. He's a good man, a man with truth. What your man when ni papa do or mine as well? Or mine yahoto. A slang yampa Swiss and the Mamma Bompire my IGP. A slang quatentin yams barman. Then I did be Amen.
I joined one of the biggest gang in prison, Blood.
Did you have to join them?
Yes, I didn't have no choice because the folks that I found myself in a dormitory with, they're all Bloods. They're from Atlanta. These are Atlanta Jays. They're all Bloods. If you don't go, they're going to rob you. So you don't have no choice than to actually, when you go to Rome, you do what the Romans do. So I was actually going through that gang activities now. I wake up in the morning, they tell you, sure, you got to go stab him. Yeah.
In prison?
Yeah, in prison.
What are the consequences if you don't do it?
or you gonna get stabbed. Either you stab him or you gonna get stabbed. You're not gonna disrespect the gang. Like I was going through a lot of violence. It made me very violent. Like it be like that. But you won't. Like you get possessed. So when I had a chance to actually fight for my deportation and come home, I told my mom, Mama, gang de my bro, Mama, me pia bonti and go from me about who if you grab cool. Let's me back Ghana. I actually came to Ghana myself. I actually want to see the immigration judge and told the immigration judge, I don't want to fight it, please. I know I'm a citizen in the system. My mom just got to file for the I-130, whatever. She got to file and bring her documents and just support me because she actually filed for me and brought me to the state. And I told my mom, please don't do anything. Let me just come home.
Have you ever been in touch with any of the Bloods since you came?
Yeah, they're not going to leave you alone. They're not. My big homie still call me, you doing good? I see you doing good in Africa. We finna come to Africa. I'm like, you're not finna come out here, bro. You're not doing all that gang shit out here, bro.
People, your friends, you lost friends, you know, gang friends.
A lot of friends. You get stabbed, they can't take you to the hospital.
Wow.
Let me tell you a real situation. I was in a dormitory, right? And one white boy disrespected one of the blood dudes. And I really have no choice. Now they jammed the dude to death.
Jeez.
Yeah, now he did. It's count time. Now police come in for count. Now we gotta lay the dude in state on the bed like that.
And pretend to see if he's alive?
Bro, it's prison. I've seen so many dead bodies, like you can't say nothing. Who are you to talk? You're gonna be a snitch, you're gonna be a rat. And the next minute you realize you get transferred, somebody gonna kill you for talking. Because these folks are facing life imprisonment and they don't care. It's really savage. The moment you start talking, he from Africa, bitch, nigga. Your grandpa sold us to America. Look how we suffering. Baby, you supposed to be in Africa. What the fuck you doing out here? So the black Americans got personal hate towards the Africans. Yes, if you go.
Ebusia na chese we need here koso. Mesrem, mame fa munsi hase ye.